Yeah, I see you.
Oh.
Yo, we are
Don't
playing
drink coffee until
Animal Farm. Let's go.
I'll treat them.
Don't worry, don't worry.
This looks so ugly.
Yeah. Yeah.
So ugly. That's so ugly, man.
Good man, good man.
Okay, don't
Well,
be
you've got to do something in life. Life is too short. Enjoy yourself anyway. These
Okay.
people don't care a shit anyway. You know what I mean? They care bananas. So, yeah. Okay.
Ring one.
Okay, cool. Thank you, my friend.
Okay, you tell me what they need.
But
I'll get
it's
it.
look.
You took that thing off, didn't you?
It's Mr.
You took the
Meows a
hose off,
lot.
didn't you?
Meows a lot from Dennis Daly's series.
Is he? Okay,
And I press
okay, I'll
to
tell him.
change as your sanity goes down.
Oh,
Okay,
Tell me what they need.
okay, I'll tell him.
Tell me what they need.
Okay.
just don't click him.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
You've got
I'm ready
keys for
to
the
go.
property, haven't you?
It's what can I do?
For that
Oh, yeah,
property.
sure, man.
Okay.
Just only put this side.
Okay, good man. Okay. Alright, you're good man. Thank you.
Herbs.
Bye-bye.
Herbs? Okay.
See there?
Hey. No. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Ciao, Huntington.
alright.
Just so you know, we may record our conversation. This helps us train our team to test a new method. If you're calling to place a new order, please press 1. If you're calling about an existing order, please press 2.
The doctor's reviving. Wait, the doc. This game cannot get any more goofier. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harnett. What is this guy doing? Wait, close the door and just lock.
Mummy, oru beche, mummy. Oru.
Oh wait, you drink coffee so your sanity doesn't go down. Yeah. Oh damn, my sanity is not very nice number.
What is it? I'm 71.
I'm not getting cancer.
Two.
It's 2 more numbers than 6 heaven.
Yeah, you do. Do you want to do patient 1 or do you want me to do patient 1?
It's cameras.
Yeah, my name's Mr.
Alright, inspect.
No, Mr. Patel.
Do you want me in room
Yeah,
4?
just wanted to check
Alright,
my
let's go.
delivery date for my...
What's this?
Okay, what's your number?
Postcode.
What's the number of your sanity?
I just,
Okay, what's the sanity number?
I'm just drinking coffee, putting on my
Oh, no, Kayan!
My sanity's 83.
Don't drink the coffee.
Cool. If you need some.
Are you treating the patient?
Yeah, I don't need you in this room. Yeah.
Okay, I'm 69%. What's yours?
82. Just ran there.
Okay, I'm gonna grab the next coffee.
Alright, cool.
V for Victor, S for sugar. 111 9109.
I think you get a gun halfway through. I saw like a bit where you get a gun and we're able to shoot them.
Okay, so it's on this from
Yeah, we have to pay for the gun.
where was it purchased from?
Why does your face look like that?
Why's your face look like that?
Your face is
You
terrifying.
look so goofy.
Look, your smile is generally terrifying.
So is yours. Have you seen yourself, friend?
No, I haven't seen myself.
Station. This helps us contacting you, Batman. Your product already been dispensed.
You grab the next patient. I got this one.
Yeah, I just wanted to
Okay, that guy's done. Okay, let the secretary do it. Let the secretary do it. Because they don't need coffee. If they do it, then they won't need coffee.
Okay. This guy hasn't moved at
This
all.
person's done.
I'm going to turn.
These guys taking forever. Come on, we don't have all day.
E14 3R rest.
Yeah.
Correct. Yes,
Wait, no. You're gonna kill them.
Wait,
Stop.
no, trust me, Thermo's gonna work.
No,
Trust
no,
me.
no, no, no.
Wait, if it's Thermo next, then let me.
If it's Starbo, then do it. But if it's not,
If it is Thermo, I'm stabbing.
pardon? Okay, sorry. Your medicine.
I got your one.
Foster, you get the medicine.
Oh no, you got this. I'm just gonna chill, just watch on the ground.
Okay.
This place gives me the creeps. Well,
Wait, can I
no.
get the coffee? Because I need it.
Oh, how much is your sanity?
66, you?
79.
Or,
I shut the shutters and ducked down. How come you did the best? I did more jobs in